Fishermen dive to the bottom of the sea to collect fish cages that were dropped yesterday. Look in through the cage. Although there are many fish in it, but it's all small fish. The only thing valuable is these lobsters. With this plum fish, they're not happy about it. This arowana, I'm afraid it's not worth the all money they pay for going to sea. What can we do about this? You can't make a trip in vain, right? As long as the mind doesn't slide. There are more solutions than difficulties. His father just took a basket of ribs, then asked my son to pick up a lobster. Just hang the fish hook. Thrown into the sea without hesitation. This East Star spot is more expensive than lobster. He was also hooked. Thrown directly into the sea. What are they doing? Prepared to take on a wave of bicycles to become motorcycles. Then they put the lobster and fish in the barrel. Hooks are hung one by one. Thrown into the sea. Make such a crazy move. So can they get their money back? Will it roll over again? And the next day, they salvage the floats of hope. Start recycling the line. I didn't expect it to work very well. The first fish hook just drag up a 1.5 kilogram slate. It was a great start. It gives them a lot of confidence. It is also more sensory to put away the fish. Soon the second fish came again. This is a deep fish, although there was no grouper before, but they don't mind. As the fishing line is retracted, another good product. This is another 1.5 kilogram grouper, with 2 groupies. The fish money will be earned back. And what they didn't expect was, the harvest later is better. This several caddy stone plaque is one after another. Just put this grouper on the boat. And 2 minutes later, another one comes back. Just put this in the cabin. One comes back every 2 minutes. And one is bigger than the other. Get on the boat with the fish. The cabin is full. Good goods, it seems that this trip is a hit. Then they came to the seafood wholesale department after weighing the fish. A total of 6,230 for B were exchanged back, equivalent to about 780 yuan.